Okay, y'all, so Walmart haul for this week. We're going to start with our chicken fingers right there. That's for lunch. I got some hash browns for a recipe, chicken breast for a recipe. I had to get a Boston butt for a recipe, and some bacon, also for a recipe. And the Walmart that I shop at's already got school supplies out. I'm pretty sure everybody does. We homeschool, so I don't have to buy all that excess stuff, just things I need. And these are the only things I needed. Some whiteout, some crystal pens, because that's my favorite, and these little memo pads, because those are also my favorite. Seen this. Wanted to try that. The bacon jalapeno pizza. And that's going to be our lunch as well. Some Pepsis for my husband. Some milk for the kiddos. Taco shells are also for a recipe. So is the cake mix. I got these for my husband's lunch. And these cookies are also his. And so are these cookies. And so are these. But I also got 2 of those because I have a little family member that likes to eat them too. Tea because we were out. Some lunch meat for sandwiches. Ritz crackers also for one of the dinners that I'm gonna make, one of our dinner recipes. Some grapes, cantaloupe, watermelon. These sausages I just got because these are like my favorites. Love them. Got 2 packs of those. 2 packs of this cheese. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Husband also likes these for his lunch. I got a can of biscuits for tonight's supper. We're going to do bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits, so I need an extra can. Refried beans for a casserole. Green chilies for a casserole. And black olives, also for a casserole that we're going to make this week. I also got me some of the markdown bread. The cheese grits are also for tonight to go with the bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. Several bags of chips. Pack of toilet paper. A box of variety pack chips for my husband's work. And also I got pack of hot dog buns for some sandwiches we're going to do this week. All this was about $188. So, and it's just not much at all. I had to buy a lot of snacks for my husband. That probably cost me, you know, a good penny, but it's not going as far as it typically does. And that roast right there is like $18. So, all this, $188. Really not much of anything. Just little knick-knacky stuff. Oh, and I got this pack of carrots. I need those for a recipe as well. So you'll probably see some of this stuff in the next couple videos. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a real cheap budget type meal. I don't know if it really has a name. Sausage and rice, I guess. What you should call it. It's just 3 ingredients. Smoked sausage, yellow rice, and a can of field peas with snaps. So right now, I'm taking the smoked sausage. You can take any brand. I'm only using about 14 ounces. It would probably do a lot better if it was about 1.5 pounds. So I wouldn't go 2 pounds. So this is just 14 ounces, so I'm cutting it kind of small. That way I have enough, it'll kind of go a little bit further. So you're gonna fry this up in a skillet just until it chars it a little bit. Not much. Basically heating it up. And then after that we'll move on to the next thing that we gotta do. Medium-high heat, just long enough to heat up the sausage and char it just a little. And right now I'm cutting it into tiny pieces. Bite size is about what you need to go with. Okay, I'll be back in just a second when I get this ready and we'll add the next ingredient. Okay, y'all. So there's no need to drain any grease or anything because we didn't put anything in there. And it doesn't really make that much. So now I'm going to add some yellow rice. Love this stuff. 10-ounce bag is what I added. You can add more or less depending on your preference. We're just going to cook everything in this one skillet. And you're going to follow the directions on the back of the package. So we're going to leave everything like it is. And follow the directions on the back of the package. Let's see, I need 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to put just a little bit of oil in it. And that's to probably keep it from sticking. Alright. Now you're going to bring to a boil and then you're going to reduce the heat and simmer for 20 minutes. But all you got to do is follow the packaging, and then as soon as I get to the next step, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So for our last ingredient, I'm going to add this. And I've already drained it. Now, this rice is not completely done yet. It's almost there. But I want this to kind of mesh together. That's it. That will be all of it. So what I'm going to do is cook this for just a few more minutes. And then it'll be ready to serve. Make sure you drain the peas first before you add them. But that's it. Really quick and easy. 3 ingredients. 1 pot, 1 pan, 1 pot. Cook it all together. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.